give a woman the power to make her own money, manginginig talaga.
Yes.
Manginig ka talaga.
Exactly.
Kasi kayang-kaya. I know of people, of families, of scenarios, circumstances where a woman is never given the power to make her own money because it is a way for the man to control. The narrative lang na just because you are in a relationship, sabihin natin maybe other people also feel this way, na hindi porket ikaw yung babae, A, wala kang power, and B, you are just given an allowance for whatever it is you do for the family. Third then, and if that is your scenario, I think embrace it. Don't treat it as an allowance because, you know, homemakers
deserve
do so
way
much.
more. Hindi ko kaya, honestly.
Hindi ko kaya.
Hindi ko kaya.
Hindi ko kaya. Hats off to all our full-time moms and homemakers because kayo ang rason kung bakit buo ang pamilya ninyo or kung hindi man buo in that sense, yung kung paano napapatakbo ang bahay.